Hello everybody. So it is raining outside. I got 0 hours and my student had to leave town due to a emergency that was going on. So I'm stuck on a 34-hour reset or until whenever he gets back. Just started up the truck to get it over to the shop because the AC hasn't been working all that well, and now it's saying it's going to be engine derate in 3 hours. The truck actually didn't want to start for a minute, so almost had to call out breakdown to get towed a couple miles. So yeah, talk about fun. All right, made it to the shop. So personal conveyance, changed that to off, done. I don't need to worry about that. All right, so I got some water in the cooler, no food, and I guess my student left some blankets back there. Oh well. All right, let me get the truck checked into the shop, and then I'll have to go get my truck, and it's still freaking raining. Yay. All right, well, I'm in this now. Oh yeah, flashers. They like the flashers here. I think the flashers should only really be used when you're backing up, which, you know, technically I am doing right now. But they want them used the entire time when you're on the yard. Yay. Alright, so got my pickup truck. Truck's in the shop. They're really busy today, so don't think it will get into the shop today. But got the work order written up, so that's that. The rest of it is just a thing, though, I guess. Oh, he needs to go here. Okay. All right, gotta get my wipers on here. All right, well, I'm gonna put this down and get on to the next part of my day. See you in a little bit. Man, these sandwiches here from McDonald's, I've been digging these. Along with this mocha frappe. Pretty good. The McDonald's app is also really awesome to use. You get really good discounts. And this is not a promotional thing. If you're one of my students, you know I talk about that McDonald's app a lot. I think it has some pretty good deals. Like, I saved $3. I got one of these sandwiches for basically free. And then with each coffee purchase, you get, you know, you buy 5, you get 1 free. And they got new deals every day. So I think it's a pretty cool deal. I like the part that I could order my food and I don't even have to wait in line. They just come out and they bring it to me. Really useful for, you know, being a truck driver. You could park across the street and they realize, you know, hey, you're the one who just ordered it, and they'll bring it to you. So, as I was just saying, I gotta get this truck inspected. So, I'm gonna eat this real quick. And I gotta get over there. See you guys later. Hey everybody, so this is the reason why I've not been doing YouTube videos recently. Since August 12th, my laptop's been broken. Dell's been out here twice now. They gotta come out a third time. There's gonna be a whole video on this, so don't worry about it. I'm just not ready for that to be uploaded yet, but we're waiting for freaking parts that are on back order. But yeah, that's the reason why I've been really slow at uploading videos. Hang tight. Tomorrow probably I'll be doing a drive along video, so that will be coming out along with a couple backs. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe. I hope you guys like the series of clips I put together for today. And see you guys on the next one.